Hey, welcome back to Sailing Zephyr IV. Today we're on our way to Brighton. The tides and wind are good, so we're on our way to the east. From a navigational point of view, it's a pretty easy trip. We're taking a shortcut through the old submarine barrier, but that's clearly defined by a port and starboard hand mark. The next tricky bit is getting through the Looe, a channel through the shallow water between the Hours and the headland of Selsey Bill. Again, it's pretty well buoyed, and in good weather, fairly benign. And then after that, it's a long drag along the south coast until we get to Brighton itself.
There's the gap in the submarine barrier, very well marked with this big case and thing. And it looks like there's a guy out here in a canoe and he's fishing. Very sensibly, he's got a flag up so you can see it. There's the port hand mark on the left hand side.
Sadly, there's not much wind, so we're motoring east at about 4 knots, hoping for more wind later. The forecast promised it, so it must come. Of course it will.
Well, the wind's picked up nicely and we're on a close reach, doing, as you can see, 6.1 knots, a bit more through the over the ground, but not much. A bit of tide. Oh, that's Selsey, and we're just heading up to Selsey Bill, which is just slightly ahead of us on the port bow. We're almost up to the Looe channel, less than a mile away now, I should think. Well, we're through the Looe now and head east with a nice breeze towards Brighton. Wind's dropped now, so we need to motor sail just offshore now. And then there's a splash, and we're joined by a pod of dolphins. It quite made our day, it really did. The dolphins stayed for 15 to 20 minutes and then, just as quickly as they appeared, they disappeared. The wind increased nicely and for a while we made well over 6 knots towards Brighton. But as evening approached, the wind dropped and we motor sailed to keep our average speed up. We're getting closer now and Bill retrieves the mooring lines from the cockpit locker as the harbour entrance opens up. We're just going into the entrance, a bit complicated at the moment because they're dredging. I talked to the Marina on the radio, lost as usual.
No, I'm afraid I'm not aware where 25 is, but perhaps you help me with that.
And before long
we're safely moored on the end of Pier 25. So bye bye for now, we're off to have our tea. Did we see dolphins on the way back? The eventful return will be in another video. If you subscribe now, you'll be notified when that one is released. So thanks for watching. Please like and share this video with your friends. Bye bye.